Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to update your Hisense Smart TV. This is simple. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to update your Hisense Smart TV, go to your settings over here, go to the last setting that says support, click on it, and there is the option here that says system update. Click on that system update and click on check update. So for each update, you need to check your update to see if there's any available update. If there's an available update over here, then you're going to be asked to either update or choose to update it later. But for me, I'm using the current update, so I don't need any update. What I recommend you to do, just make sure that auto update is turned on so that whenever there is an update, you'll be notified and asked to update your Hisense Smart TV. So I always allow this on. Whenever my update comes, they're just going to show me that either if I want to update my system now or do it later. So it's simple as that. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.